This place is incredible. We're at the 3rd floor. Yung video kanina was the 2nd floor. This 3rd floor is all mechanical parts, wirings, tools. Grabe. And then the 2nd floor, all accessories, clothes, bags. And then, wow, there's a 4th floor pa until I think a 6th floor. My God, it's incredible. Sobra. Anyway, yeah, no? Look at that. Grabe, ang galing nito. Never seen anything this complete. Ah, wow. Helmets. Wow, mufflers. Grabe. Even more jackets. There are jackets downstairs. Pictures sa baba. Mga racing. Wow. Yeah. Ganda. Yeah. Galing, ah. This cafe, yan, it's a repair area for repairs. Strawberry break. I'm sorry. Say hi to the group.